Today we are doing our day two of the Mimo coding challenge. To be honest, I have forever since ever felt really pulled into the idea of knowing how to code, but I just do not feel like I have the motivation. Like it just bores me to death, but like a lot of books that are not engaging from the beginning, where the interest in it comes after you learn the basics. I feel like I have to truly push myself to like coding. I personally just feel like it's boring, but I know that once I get the hang of it and once I find a use to learn how to code, like something is gonna come out of it. I just know that something is gonna come out of it. So I decided to use this platform as a push, as an extra ump to actually do the things that I don't feel like doing. To be honest, I never realized that YouTube would actually be such a good motivator to do things, because you're not only considering yourself, but you have people watching you. Even if there's not a lot of people watching, I simply feel that the fact that I am putting this live and it's out there, that in itself is motivating enough for me to keep pushing. Like, not only that, but there's just also so much shitty content out there. And even though I do not yet understand how am I actually gonna use this coding experience, I feel like I'm still gonna be able to get something out of it. Maybe not immediately, but in the future. So we are gonna be using the Mimo app. It's Mimo, and it's literally a coding app. Hey there. And we are checking out the following. So we are doing literally introduction to web development. Like that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm 1,000 years old, Jason. So that's what we're doing. And let me clean this up real quick. I know, right? You're funny. So let's do that. So we are here. So this is then like what the fuck is this? So basics, it's for practice. Oh, I didn't know that I was supposed to practice here. So this is HTML practice one. So I don't know what this is. And this is, it says, add an H1 element and a P element with some text of your choice. So this is cool. So we're actually gonna have to like practice fucking coding. So let's see. So H1 is for header, not Heather. So header. So let's see. Type the code to enter the solution. Where do I even add that? I really have no idea. What? So where? Here or here? So body. I think I have to add it here. So what is it showing right now? Nothing. So HTML body. So I'm assuming that I have to add it right here. If anyone knows, so let me know. So H1, Oh, so that's the opening HTML, opening body, and this is the closing text for the body. So underscore element and the EP element. So I'm gonna put that one and then H1 because it's the first header. So H1. And then I'm gonna put Pasai. Hey Pasai. Hi Pasai. And then I'm gonna close the header. So this one and then no wait. Like I just don't feel the motivation. Close and then H1. Then close the H1. Okay, so I think that's it. Happy side. So we added the first one. So I forgot what the P element is. And then the P element is, oh, for paragraph. So paragraph. So open code. And then P, because that's the paragraph opening. And then my milkshake. My milkshake. Milkshake is going to be my milkshake. And then finish, close it. Close. No, what's the other one? Close paragraph. And then does P? I don't think P needs a closing argument. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Yay! So P doesn't need a closing argument or a closing. I forgot. What do I call it? Arguments. A P condition? Oh no, that's for Swift. So a P element. There we go. So P element just does not need a closing one. So good job. Open coding playground. Sure, I guess. So that is the code. So that's cool. Okay, so that's done. So practice, we're done. And then cool. So now continue. And we're actually moving. Oh, this is actual practice. So the app Mimo actually makes you practice the coding. That's actually really cool. That's like really, 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 really cool. Oh shit. So let's see. Add body to the web page. So I just have to like add something, right? Like a wait. Body. So on the last one we did body. So open body and then we close the body. So and it has to go in between the HTML. So here, HTML, and then open body. My body is calling you now. And then open P. No, open body, body, body. And then close body. My pussy is calling you now. Imagine like if your pussy called someone's name. Like it's hungry and it's all like, huh. Anyways, so body, close body. Yay! So we did it. Oh, I didn't. I sorry. I didn't realize that that shit was like not visible. So so that's that. So we finished the first one. I didn't know actually I had to fucking practice this. So that's that for that. So we added the body tags, and now let's do the next one. So the app Mimo actually makes you practice this. I paid a whole fucking year for this, so I better learn how to fucking code. So above above the P element, add an H1 element and an H2 element with any text you like. Above the P element, so the P element is this one, so above it. So H1, so I have to add an H1. So it would be open and then H1 and then I put news. And then I'm gonna close it. Let's see. It's cool that this shit makes you literally practice coding. And then close the H1. And then there we go. So above the P element, add an H1 element and add an H2 element with any text you like. And add an H2 element. So H2 element. So what I'm going to put in the H2 element? Um, let's see. My milkshake. Your milkshake. Your milkshake. So we're adding your milkshake on an H2. And let's see. Over H close. No, H2. No, it is closing and then the H2. H2. Close that shit and then H2. H2. Then close the tag or close the element. So these things are called elements. So now that's it. That should be right. Yeah, yeah, spot on. Hap Sam. Oh, that was what we coded. News, your milkshake. Let me edit it. Okay, now let's go to the next one. What does it say? It says add two P elements with any text you like. Anywhere, so it has to be in the body. So I guess it's gonna be right here. Enter, and then P elements. P was for paragraph. And I don't think P element has a closing. So I'm gonna put P. And then daddy. Daddy. And then another P element. Mammy. And we did it. Yay. So find two issues with the web page and fix them. HTML, body H1, closing, H2. So first issue is that this one, there's no closing P element. And the H1 doesn't have a closing tag. So there we go. That's it. What? It's two. I just fixed them. Oh. And then there's another one. There you go. Does the P element actually have a closing? I fixed three issues. Make the heading more prominent by turning H3 element into an H1. So we're doing H3. And we're literally turning. Do you know that like on Apple devices, if you hold the spacebar, you can use your finger as a mouse. Look, so right now, look at the cursor is there. So if I hold the space, then I can move it like if it was a mouse. Watch. You see how the screen went up all gray and then I move it? I'm literally moving the cursor like it was a mouse. So I'm doing H. It said turn the H3 into an H1 into a bigger. So the bigger is H1, opening H1, and then this one I'm doing an H1 closing. There we go. It's done. And then we're moving on. So let's see, create two P elements by adding opening and closing P tags. Oh my god, they do have closing. I did not know I had to close. Create two P elements by adding and closing P tags before and after the two sentences. Okay. So this one's going to be opening. And then closing. And then again here. Opening. And then it's an opening P tag. So it's opening P. And we're taking that one away. And then we're closing the penny. That's... So you do have to close that one. I didn't know you have to close the P tags. I haven't done any HTML in forever. I didn't even say hi to you, United Dev. Hey, Dev, I didn't see you earlier. Sorry about that. So now add an H1 heading, an H2 heading, and a paragraph element with any text you like. Add an H1 element. So H1 element. And we're going to be putting Parangorikutirimekoro is going to be the thing. So Parangorikutirimikwaro. Parangorikutirimikwaro. And then we're closing that. Boom. So that's going to be a closing H1. So we're doing the closing, and then H1, and that one. And then we are also doing another one, which is going to be tres testigos, so an H2 and a paragraph. Ew, all of them. H1 and H2 and a paragraph element. So H1 done, then H2. It's good they make you practice. This is fucking amazing. And then H2 element, so H2 element. And then we're going to put tres tristes. Tres tristes tires. Tigres. And then we're closing the H2 element. It's going to be H2. So H2. H2. Then we close the element. And then the question says that we actually also have to do a, a paragraph element. So we have to do one more. And it's going to be open P. And then we're going to put pasa. Pasa. Ew. Pasa. And then we're going to close the P element. So that one, then close, and then P, and then close. And then boom. Yay. Oh, that's it. That was long. That was fun though. So today is the second. Okay, so let's do another one. One more. So we have to do 2 units. If anyone wants a 14-day pass guess, let me know. I'll put it right here on the screen, put it as a comment, and now invite you as a friend, and you're gonna get 14 days of free pass, okay? Okay, so we're gonna do 3. There's 3 units on this? Ew, fuck you. Okay, so we have to do, let's finish the 3 units. We're gonna finish the 3 units of this. So emphasize the word don't on this webpage using EM tag. So EM, like emphasis. And then we're closing the EM. That one, then close, EM, close. No? What? Oh, don't, it's only the word don't. From there. EM. Okay, we got it. Yay. So EM makes it in italics. Let's see now. What's this? Add the closing tags in the correct positions to finish the example web page. There are 5 missing closing tags. So HTML. So the H1 closing. That's one. And then closing the strong. Close strong. And then closing the strong. So one, two, heading, paragraph, strong. Oh, and the paragraph closing. And also we have to close a paragraph. So we got the paragraph, we got the strong. 1, 2, 3, the H1. So we gotta close the body and the HTML. So close body. And then close HTML. Yay. Okay. Now the next one. Give roar strong importance using strong. So here the simple. So document type HTML, HTML open, HTML open body, HTML closing, closing, and then P for paragraph. P is there. So give roar strong importance using the strong. So roar. So this we have to use strong. Strong. And then close strong. Okay, we got that one. There's so many of these fucking exercises. We have to do 3 of these. They're so long. But okay, let's see. Dutcher type, doc type, let's see. HTML. That is stands for document type. So add 2 line breaks within the paragraph. P stands for paragraph. So I forgot how to add the line break. I do not know how to add the fucking line break. Is it just like a break? Let's see. So let's look on fucking Safari. Let's see. Because I don't know. All right, let's see. So we're looking for HTML line break. Oh, BR. Okay, so it's BR. So blah blah. It says we have to add 2. So we're gonna add 1 here. So it's BR. And then close. And then no, BR doesn't take any closing. And then another BR. Yay! So we got that one right. And now let's do the next one. Give me a second. So this thing fucking. I have a fucking mess on my bed right now. Give me 1 second. To be honest, I have no idea how studying HTML is gonna pay because I have never used it for anything. I just know that I have to fucking do this. I don't know why. I just know. So we're going to the next one. So this is. Oh, let's see. It's more HTML. Okay. Add title element with a title you like with a head element. So let's see. HTML, doc type, blah, blah. Add title element with the title you would like within the head element. What the fuck is a title element? A header element, right? Let's see. Safari, HTML, HTML, title, tag. It literally says title. It literally is gonna be literally be title. So head. It says head. So I'm gonna put um your milkshake. And then I'm gonna close title. Closing. Got it right. No, we got here. Code the closing tag for defining important text. Code the closing tag for defining important text. So here it's gonna be the strong one. So you have to put in strong closed. Add the missing tag, letter type HTML. It's tough. And then we're doing exclamation, dog type, HTML, space, like that. Huh. And then let's see. Complete the cinema listings page by including the body element and the missing closing tags. It's gonna be so body's gonna be here. My body. My body. So body opening, we need and the missing closing tags. So closing tags. So it needs to be in H1. No closing, H1. And then we got the closing paragraph tag. That's it. We got it. Yay. And then we got remove the emphasis from the electronics word and make it important instead. So what's an important tag? Is it I am? Strong. Remove the emphasis from the electronics and make it important. So maybe strong. You can't shake the shit. Message comes on strong. I did it. Oh, I fucked something up. Oh, that's it. Okay. Now we got another one. Add an EM element to emphasize the words danger zone on this web page. Add an EM element to emphasize the words danger zone on this. Emphasize strong or EM. Or EM is emphasis, so it's going to be EM. And oh, there it says there add an EM element. So yeah, we got one more. Create a button displays follows on the web page. HTML body. So we create a button like this. So open, then button, and then we're gonna put follow in the text. We want let's so the button and then emphasis. Well, it's gonna give a shit if we do it the other way. So button, it's gonna say follow. So capital follow and then close button. That's it. Yay, there's a button that we created. Cool. Now let's see. Find what's wrong with this web page and fix it. So there's one thing to fix. So body, that's done, dark type, HTML. Dark type HTML, that's fine. Button, oh yeah, there's one mistake. There's no closing tag. So we're just gonna add una tilde and then we got it's closing. And then we got that done. Create a button displaying play pause between the previous next button. So what? Create a button displaying play pause between the previous and next button. So let's see. H4 Spotify, so document type HTML, open body, then H4 header for size, P for paragraph and displaying if you're happy with what you know. Oh, playing if you're happy, you know, and then close the P for paragraph, and then next button previous, button next. So give it the same play pause between the previous and next button. So literally has to be right here. I have to make another button right here. So enter, and then button, and play. Then esta madre, then pause. And then close button. Close. We got it. Perfect. Okay, next. Make the text make the text on the button important. This is what I wanted to do earlier. So doctor. So document type HTML body. P, would you like to decline? So EM, important. EM as an emphasis, right? It's a strong. What I always for these are confusing. M to define emphasized. I to define small small text for strong tag. So it's oh the strong is actually put as strong. Oh, so strong means important. That's right. So text of the button important. So um strong and then close strong. There you go. Yay. Okay, so now we're going on the next one. Create a button that displays like on the web page. So document type HTML, be more than to code on the web page. So page, so we're in between the bodies. So we have to create a button. Like to be honest, I don't know why the fuck I feel like I just have to learn this. I don't know. There's something inside of me tells me to learn coding, and it's been telling me for a while. And I don't feel like it, but I just feel like this is gonna be really important. I feel like an idea is gonna come out of this. I just know it. I don't know what, but I just feel it. I feel like something really, really important is gonna happen. Display these buttons to each other on the web page or next to each other. So let's see. Display these buttons next to each other on the web page. All of them? Just don't put the enter in. That's it. One. Or you get rid of the break. And the break is at the end. Literally forgot. Button, open button, close button. And then button, close button. And then button, close button. That's it. No break. There we go. Press two buttons to display 1, 2, and 3 in one horizontal. So horizontals. Place the buttons. So body. So button, open, and then button. I'm gonna copy this so I don't have to repeat typing everything. So copy and then one, paste, two, and then paste, and then three. Three. Let's see, one, two, three. Yeah, okay, one, two, three, one, three, got it. I can't believe we've been doing this for 46 minutes already. Like, literally, the time just like literally flew by. Modify the codes such as the numbers will text 1, 2, and 3 will be above buttons with 4, 5, and 6. So just put BR. That's it. Cool. Now let's see what's next. Coded button displaying add emoji above the send message button. Coded button displaying above the send message. So send message so above it. It's over here. Add emoji. Oh. Paste. Add emoji. Emoji. Above. Oh, because I have to hit a break. Above the message. So, okay, I get it. So, add emoji, that's right. And then PR. There we go. Yay, that was fun. Yay! So we did one. That was fun. Adding images. Hey, Lubjika. So let's see. Photography HTML also allows us to add images to a web page. Okay. So to add images a web page, we start with a. So I will be. I have to do something real quick. I have to go pee. But I'm gonna play something for you that is fun while I go. Let's see. Where is it? Um. Where's the funny things? I will be right back, okay? So I'm gonna leave this here while I finish. I'll literally be right back. I have to do something real quick. But I'm gonna leave this amazing, entertaining picture over here. I will be right back, okay? Okay, so I'm back. Let's see. A ver, let's continue with the shit. put the font the other way around. No, I can't. Okay. So this is what we got. Nope. Okay, so we got the next one. Add images to a web page. We'll start with IMG tag. So tab the snippets below. So drawing of what? All the snippets below. Header 3, IMG, done. Okay, that was good. Next one. So let's see. Just like BR, which is break, IMG is an empty tag. That means it has no closing tag. So index, so IMG, it has no closing tag. So I'm assuming we are just supposed to put an image tag. So less than symbol, and then IMG, and then greater than symbol. There we go. Now the next one. So let's see. To display an image tag needs the SRC attribute, which is source. Okay, source. So here the source is H3, drawing of EM for emphasized text, earthrise, close emphasized text, heading 3, which is the third size, and then image. So where do I put the source? Also, source SRC equals. So image, and then the SRC, and then equals, and the source, and then the closing, the less than. Okay, that's cool. So we set the image we want to display with an equal sign, okay? We set the image we want to display with an equal sign and the image's addresses between the double quotes. So H3, H3 equals drawing of Earthrise. Emphasize text and then closing the header, image. So on the options, we got these. So it says, so we have to do the source. So source, SRC stands for source, and then we do the equal sign. So source equals and then the actual website, and then it's closed. So that's that. And that's what's going to display on HTML. So we do the next one. And it says, we can use attributes to change the size of the images. The width and the height attributes use pixels at as a default unit of measurement. For example, to set the width of this image as 100 pixels, code width equals 100, and between quotes. So the width, so image source equals image source, and then width, I guess. So width equals 100, and then height equals 200 pixels, and then you close the tag. Oh, cool. Now, let's see. And the height attribute adjusts the height of an image. Tap the code to enter the solution. Image source, and then width 200. So so the height. So here, height. Height equals 300, and then enter. So then it says, what makes image an empty tag? It has no attributes, it has no closing tag, there's no, so it has no closing tag. It's called an empty tag because there's no closing. It's called, so image and BR is an empty tag? I'm not sure actually. So here, let's see, how many images will appear on this web page? 2. Okay, it's done. Now, how can we adjust the height of an image? Height with the height attribute, that one. Which attribute do we need to set the IMG? Which attribute do we need to set for the IMG tag, the SRC attribute? Set the width attribute to the image to 200. Set the width attribute to the image to 200. So image source equals image source, and then so the width equals, and then 200 in quotes. There we go, we got that done. Pick the correct tag for an image. So we also have to make the image. So we got less than, and then image, and then source equals, and then that, and then closing. Bam! Got that right. And now next. Use the correct attribute to set source of the image. Use the correct attribute to set the source of the image. So SRC. SRC, SRC, RC, because SRC stands for source. Yay! And then next, code the height of the image with height equals 100. So code the height of the image with height equals 100. Image source equals image, and then width equals 100, so then height. Height equals then 100. That's it, and then close. Good. Yay! So there we go. We're done for today. Well, that was a lot longer than I expected. So I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by and checking out the Mimo app with me. So far, the Mimo app is actually really fun. Like, it actually makes you practice coding. Like, you actually have to practice coding and you actually learn it. So I think that was really entertaining, really fun. And thank you for stopping by on day 2 of the Mimo Coding App Challenge. So the goal is to do a 2 units every day. So every day, this is day 2 of coding. Again, I have no idea how I'm gonna use any of this. I really have no idea if this is ever gonna be useful. But something, I don't know what, something's telling me you need to learn this stuff. The thing is that something in me has been telling me, hey, you need to learn this shit. You just need to learn it. And that thing has been telling me since forever, hey, learn fucking coding. And I guess we're doing that now. So thank you for stopping by. I am actually gonna head out now and do some exercise. I will see you guys later. Okay, bye.